Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is MainWP plugin and how to install it and connect it to your WordPress websites. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. First, let's see what is MainWP plugin. MainWP is a free WordPress plugin that acts as a central control panel to manage, update, and monitor all your different WordPress websites from one single dashboard. On the same dashboard, you can run the tasks like plugin and theme updates, backup, security scans, and uptime checks for separate WordPress websites on a single dashboard. Now let's see how to install the MainWP plugin and connect the WordPress websites. As a first step, log into your cPanel account. On the left side, you can see the option like WordPress Manager by Software Plus. Click and open it. Here I am having 3 WordPress websites and I am going to use one WordPress website as MainWP dashboard, and I am going to use the remaining sites to connect with the MainWP dashboard. On the right side you can see the login button. Click and open it. It will navigate you to the WordPress dashboard. On the left side you can see the option named plugins. Click and open it. In this page, click on the add plugins button. Here on the search bar, search MainWP. Please note that you need to search MainWP without space. Here you can see 2 plugins, MainWP Child and MainWP Dashboard. We need to install the MainWP Dashboard plugin on the main WordPress website. Click the install button and wait for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is completed, click the active button and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will be navigated to MainWP Dashboard configuration page. Leave its browser tab as it is and go to the Software Plus Manager. Log into the WordPress website that you want to connect with MainWP Dashboard. And here click the same plugins option and click the add plugin button. And in the search bar, enter MainWP without space. Here you can see the 2 plugins, MainWP Child and MainWP Dashboard. Click on the install button for MainWP Child and wait for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is completed, click the active button and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will be navigated to MainWP Child plugin settings. Here you can see the rules to connect to a WordPress website with your MainWP dashboard. The rule is simple, like it just needs admin password and your admin name to connect to your WordPress website. But for additional security, please create new admin account to use it here. Leave the configuration settings as it is and see the option named Unique Security ID. It adds an extra layer of security to be connected with your MainWP dashboard. If you enable it, it will give you a unique ID. Also, you can define how long the plugin have to be inactive if no connection is established. If you scroll up a little bit, you can see the server information option. Click and open it. In this page, you can see all your server information details like the WordPress version, PHP settings, MySQL settings, and all the details of your website server. Again, if you scroll up a little bit, you can see the option named connection details. Click and open it. To connect to a website with a dashboard, we can use these details. If you enable unique security ID in the settings, it will show like this. You can copy the unique security ID and store it in a safe place. And now go to a main website configuration page. Now click the Start MainWP Quick Setup Wizard button. In the introduction page, click on the Let's Go button. System requirements check page. Record requirements have to be fulfilled to continue further. If any option here not met with the requirements, please check with your hosting provider. Every requirement is passed. Click on the continue button on the right side. Now we need to connect our first child site. Child site is nothing but your other WordPress websites. Here we can connect to our child site in 2 methods. Connect a single site and connect multiple sites. On the connect multiple sites page, read the configuration instructions carefully. Now I'm gonna show you how to fill the details to configure. Go to your child website and copy the site URL from connection details and paste it on the site URL. The site name will be automatically fetched. Now enter the WordPress admin name and WordPress password. If you click the eye icon, you can see the invisible options. Here you can see the security ID field. If you enabled security ID in the WP child website, check it on the connection details and enter it. Here you can fill the details as many websites you want to connect with your WP dashboard, or else you can upload the details in the CSV format. Download the sample CSV file from here and fill the required details and submit it. Once you fill the details, if you scroll down, you can see the option named Confirm that the MainWP child plugin is activated on the child sites. Click and enable it and click on the connect sites. Once the sites are connected, you will be navigated to Add Client page. Before we move to the Add Clients page, let me show you how to connect a single site. And what's the site URL, enter your site's URL. And what is your administrator username field, enter your username. And what is your administrator password field, enter your admin's password. On the security ID field, if you generated any security ID, please enter it here. And finally, turn on the MainWP child plugin is activated button and click on the connect site button. You will be navigated to add a client or create a client page. Here you can add your clients as single client or multiple client by filling the required details. For now, I'm gonna add a single client. Here enter your client's name and email address and attach your client's photo if you have any. And finally enter the client's phone number. After filling the required details, if you scroll down you can see the option named App Client. Click on it. On the monitoring page there are two types of monitoring, uptime monitoring and site health monitoring. Uptime monitoring is used to check your website's uptime for a particular period of time. Once the check is completed, it will send you a mail regarding it. If you want to use it, click and enable it and adjust the time frame as per your wish. Site health monitoring sends you a report regarding your child websites, like it was in good condition or in the bad condition. If you want to use this two type of monitorings, click and enable it, or else you can turn it off and click on the continue button. That's all friends, we have been successfully connected to your child website with your WP dashboard. Please note that we have been only completed the installation process of the plugin and connected the child websites to the dashboard. To know how to use the MainWP dashboard with the child sites, check out our MainWP configuration tutorial video. You can find the video link in the description. If you have any doubts or need assistance in the things that I have mentioned in this video, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will assist you on that. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the videos, don't forget to press the bell icon.